this is one of the good plant to make it into a bonsai because of the small leaves it is having. When compared to the ficus leaves, these tropical plants, this plant is having a small leaves of you can see 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So it gives, but only one drawback is it is a very slow growing plant. Once you shape the plant, it takes lot of time to get new leaves and new branches, new leaves. So the growth is very slow in this plant, but we can shape this plant into a good bonsai. And you can see the trunk structure also. This trunk structure is very rough structure. It is having very rough structure. It is having very rough structure that gives a great look to the bonsai plant. So we can select this plant as a bonsai plant, and this is it belongs to a family of Buxus, and it is usually this plant they grow it in a bushy manner near the compound walls, and we can give a shape to the plant just like a ball, like that. So canopy can be easily shaped, and you can easily give a shape to this plant. Now we'll see the structure of the plant, and we'll give a once we had given a shape to the plant and we kept it in the bonsai part, but afterwards then we kept it in the nursery like that for the last 2 years, and it is growing and growing. Now it is a time to give a shape to the plant again. Now we'll start with this wire. When we are wiring a plant, it is better to stop watering one day before. Now you can see the soil, it is completely dry. So when the soil is completely dry, the stem will be soft, and we can bend them easily. Otherwise there will be breakdown of the branches or stem. So it is better to stop watering. What happens when you water the plant? They stay more moisture inside the cell, and all the cells inside the stem will be bulged, and it will be very difficult to bend it. When there is less water, the bending will be easily. Just like when a balloon is half filled, we can give a shape to the balloon. When the balloon is fully filled with air, it is very difficult to give a shape to the balloon. Now that's why we have to stop water for 1 day before shaping the plant and wiring the plant, and next day you can start wiring. Yeah, first we are wiring this branch. When compared to aluminum wire, no, this copper coated aluminum, this is copper coated aluminum wire. You can see this is the copper coated aluminum wire. This is very little bit difficult to, it is very hard and little difficult to you have to be careful about the branches here. So that's why I'm slowly put your finger here and bend the wire. It gives a grip. Now this is the wiring. We'll cut the wire here. Now this is another branch. This one also we are going to wire it. I am going to bend this branch like this. So I am thinking to bend this branch in this way. Also I want to start wiring in a clockwise manner. No, you can see wiring now. Now we are wiring these branches. We'll take this thin wire. This is a 2 mm wire. Now we'll wire these two branches here. This is the main one and this is the main one. We'll come from the down and do it. We're spreading the branches so they will get the sunlight. So in the nature the branches will be spreading out in all directions. The same way we are spreading the branches in all directions. Now we have to give a shape to this. We will wire these two branches also. This one and the 1, 2, 3, 4. There are two branches here and two branches are there. We will wire them and give a shape to these branches. Starting from the down and going up. We bend this branch now. We are bending here at the back side of the wire. Now we can see the shape. Already the shape is, the plant is taking a different style now. We will wire these branches and these two branches also. This one and this one. We have to wire these two branches now. This one and this one will bend it down like this. I will take a thin wire of aluminum wire. I don't have thin wire in the copper coated wire, so that's why I am taking a thin wire of aluminum. Now we can see if you see from here, you can get a clear idea of the plant. Here this top growth is not proper. You have to give us wire, or we have to give a shape over there. We'll see that one now. We'll make this one as the canopy and we'll reduce the length of these branches. There are many branches are here. Density is more, so you have to reduce that one. Now we have to see the health of the plant. If the plant is healthy, now we can add little bit fertilizer. If the plant is not healthy, if you can't take the stress of your wiring and the pruning, then you don't put any fertilizer, just top up with some bonsai soil. Now I can understand this plant is healthy, then we can go along with the good fertilizer. This is the osmocoid fertilizer. They will be just like balls like thing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Only less number of balls. For this plant, for 8 inches pot, I am using only the 8 number of balls because it is already in the dress for the wiring and everything. So I can understand this plant can take the cope up with fresh soil and can grow easily, nicely. Now we'll put bonsai soil here. This is a bonsai soil. For today and tomorrow, I'll keep this plant in a shady place, that is morning or in the evening sunlight place, and then slowly I will move it to the sunlight, not in a day. To take the plant some rest and get some energy, then we can shift it to the sunlight. So like this you can change the style. Before the plant, if you see the photo before shaping the plant, how it is now, it is lot of changes is there. So we can style a plant with our creations. So now it is looking very pretty with a lot of spread out branches and with the two trunks and this primary plant. Then it is giving a nice look to the plants. So friends, thank you for watching Buxus plant styling, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.